Hey everyone! So today I'm showing you how to download photos and videos on WhatsApp on Android. Whether you want to save them automatically or manually, I've got you covered. Let's dive in. Open WhatsApp. All right, first thing, open the WhatsApp app on your Android device. Access Settings. Now tap those three dots at the top right corner, then tap on Settings from the menu that appears. Open Storage and Data. Okay, now tap on Storage and Data. This is where all the media download options are located. Configure Media Auto Download. Here's the thing. You'll see options for when using mobile data, when connected on Wi-Fi, and when roaming. Tap on whichever one you want to customize. You can choose to auto-download photos, videos, audio, or documents. Just check the boxes for the media types you want to download automatically. Manual download method. Now, if you don't want auto-download and prefer saving media manually, just open any chat, tap on the photo or video you want, and then tap the download icon at the bottom or the three dots on top right and tap on Download or Save. It'll save directly to your phone's gallery. And boom! All your downloaded WhatsApp media will appear in your gallery under the WhatsApp folder. And that's it. Super easy way to manage your WhatsApp downloads on Android. If this helped you out, let me know in the comments below.